What's up guys, bringing you another video of my Mazda 3 on how to add navigation to your Mazda. I'm doing this on a 2016 Mazda 3. I think this works with the 2014 and 2015. I'm not too sure about the 2017 and the 2018. You may have to get a different SD card for those models. But for this one, this is the SD card that I'm using. I bought it on eBay for like $35. This is what it looks like. Now, I bought this on eBay because it's $35. If you go to the dealership, they may charge you anywhere up to $300. Now, my Mazda does not have navigation currently. So if I press this navigation button, you will see that it says your Mazda is not equipped with a navigation system. To do this additional navigational SD card, you have to turn off your car if it's not on already and power it on to accessory mode by double tapping the power button. 1, 2. You should see the logo come up with this, and it still says that. You take your SD card. Okay, so you insert it like this. I just found out. You insert it like this. The white side facing up. See, SD card is right here. And you push it in. And your Mazda should be loading up the SD card. It says loading navigation. And there you go. This should be your menu now. It should show your navigation, find address, navigate home, points of interest, blah, blah, blah. Navigation info, hide buttons, point 2D. Well, I guess you can go 3D as well. So, this is something that the dealership will not tell you because they want you to go spend $300. And I got this on eBay for $35. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for this product. And if you guys need any updates on whether it's working a month from now, I'll do so as well. But be sure to go in the description for the link for this SD card. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for future modifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.